In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way how you can start earning over $540 per day using ChatGPT. I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial how to set this up from beginning to the end, so even complete beginners can follow through very easily. And the best part about this method is you don't have to sell anything at all, and actually you will get paid money for promoting a free trial. And now, because we are going to be promoting a free trial, getting traffic to sign up to the website that's going to be paying us out is going to be very easy, especially with this AI ChatGPT automated hack that's going to bring you literally thousands of signups completely for free. Also guys, for this video and for the next 8 videos I'm going to release in the following days, I have prepared a special Q&A section for you. As soon as the video is going to come out, I will be in the comment section below answering your questions. So if you have any questions you would like to ask me personally, right after the video is going to come out for 1 hour, I will be down in the comment section answering all your questions. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, so as soon as the new video is going to come out, you can go ahead and chat with me in the comment section below. Alright guys, so now just let's get started. And first website I'm going to show you is called audible.com. Many of you may know Audible as the go-to website for all your audiobooks and podcasts, which is created by Amazon. And as you can see right here, they have released this special creator program where you can earn $15 for every trial membership you are going to generate. So very much, if you are going to get somebody to sign up to a free trial of Audible, you are going to get paid $15, but because the person doesn't have to purchase anything, you can get literally hundreds of signups very easily if you are going to follow this video through. So first of all, what you want to do is go to ChatGPT, and pretty much you can also use the free version 3.0 if you don't want to spend any money on this. But if you already do have subscription to ChatGPT, I highly suggest to use the ChatGPT version 4 to generate higher quality content. What you want to do is go to the prompt bar and you want to write in there, me 10 most trending audiobooks in the make money niche that are available on audible.com. Hit enter, ChatGPT is going to come up with this short list, and for some reason ChatGPT is a little bit lagging today, so I had to cut the section out where it's going to be generating, but pretty much I ended up with a list just like this that's going to list 10 most trending audiobooks on Audible. And as you can see right off the bat, we've got some classics here like Rich Dad Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, and pretty much some of the books that are going to help anybody who is going to read them to improve their business and financial life. And I want you to do this for every single one of these titles. What you want to do is pretty much copy the name, go to Audible, and you want to search for the book on Audible. And as you can see right here, you are going to find that the book is available for download on Audible with over 16,000 ratings. So pretty much this is going to be a very popular book, and if you are going to offer it for free, people will naturally want to get it for free, especially if they are interested in the niche. What you can also do is just go ahead and use different niches to generate list of books just like this. For example, you can go with pretty much for every niche that you can think of, from let's say counting cards to painting pictures, and generate bunch of books that are hosted on Audible and are currently trending. Next, you want to sign up to Audible affiliate program. Now what you want to do is just go to Google and you want to search for this website that's going to say you make money with free offer for your listeners, and you are going to come to this website where you want to click on sign up. Then just go ahead and fill in a bunch of personal details, do some email verification, and you will get your account, and you are ready to start promoting any book that you want to go with. Head over back to ChatGPT, and what you want to do is go ahead and ask it to write you a 3 or 4 sentence review of the book that you are going to be promoting. Now naturally you may want to do this for every single one of these books. Just go ahead and generate short description like this. That's going to act as a hook we are going to offer, so people will want to actually listen to the book. Next, head over to ElevenLabs.io to create a very simple voiceover, and to do that just click on this speech synthesizes and you are ready to create your AI voiceover. Head over back to ChatGPT and you want to copy the entire description of the book that the AI generated for you. Paste it into this field right here, and you may want to select a different voice for the voiceover that you want to use. So just select the voice that you're most comfortable going with, and if you are using paid version of ElevenLabs, you can actually clone your own voice and use that to create voiceovers as well. And then select one voice that you want to go with, and for this one I'm going with Column because I've used this voice before and I know it sounds pretty nice, so I'm going to use that and generate AI voiceover for this description created by ChatGPT. Once ElevenLabs is going to generate this voiceover, you want to save it to your computer by pressing this button right here. Next, head over to Pexels or any other free stock footage website you may want to use, and you want to search for some videos of reading a book. So just go ahead and browse through the website to find the video that you want to go with. Now, for some reason I like this one at the top with this person reading a book from the point of view, so I'm just going to download this one. And for the next part, you want to head over to CapCut.com. Now, if you already have a CapCut application on your phone or on your laptop or PC, this is going to work exactly the same. And also, if you are going to be following this method, you can just go ahead and download the application right away because it's very easy to use and it's actually free. So you can use it for many different projects. But for this method, you want to just pretty much click on create new, and you want to go with this 9:16 resolution media file, which is Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and pretty much any social media friendly. Now I'm just going to fire up the CapCut app because I already got it installed and I'm using it quite regularly, so I'm just going to show you how to do it on there, but it's going to work exactly the same on the web version as well. What you want to do there is just go ahead and get your video that you have downloaded from Pexels and paste it into this timeline just like that, and you want to actually get the voiceover from ElevenLabs and paste it in the timeline below. Then just head over back to Audible for the book that you are going to be promoting, and you want to open the cover of the book and you want to save it to your computer as well, and you want to get it to CapCut as well. Then just go ahead and move it to the front, so it's going to look something like this, and I'm also going to reposition it a little bit to make it larger, just like that, so it's going to look something like this. So pretty much what you want to do then is just go ahead and loop the video that you are going to be using as a stock footage to make it for the entire duration of the AI voiceover, just like that. And what you want to do now is just create subtitles for the AI voiceover. Next, just click on this text button right here, and you want to click on auto captions. Make sure to select English language, and you are going to generate captions in this CapCut app very easily just by press of a button, and it's actually just going to take like 10 to 15 seconds, and the captions are going to be incredibly accurate. That's one of the reasons why I highly suggest to use CapCut, because generating subtitles just like this is going to be incredibly easy and it's going to take you just a couple of seconds. And if you are going to be creating multiple of these videos for every single one of the books recommended by ChatGPT, this is going to be a huge time saver. Then what you want to do is just go ahead and customize the subtitles, and for that just go to this templates section, select the one template that you want to go with. For example, let's go with this one right here, so it's going to fit the color theme of the background image, just like that. And pretty much what you want to do is just resize it so it's going to fit inside the video for the entire duration, and pretty much you are good to go. What you want to do then is just export this video from CapCut, just like that, click on export. And for the last part, you want to go to Pinterest. Now pretty much just go to Pinterest, and what you want to do here is just upload the video that you have created to here, because if you are going to check out some book review videos on here, you can see that this is actually quite popular on Pinterest already, but not that many people are doing it yet. So there is still a chance for you to make some money with this, and it's a pretty early trend that's emerging right now. And as you can see right here, people are already using this method to make some money, because if you're going to open up, let's say this pin right here, you can see that it already contains an affiliate link if you want to purchase the book that it's going to be explaining about. So pretty much you want to do exactly the same thing just as this person right here, but instead of offering exactly the same book, we are going to be offering this free trial on Audible, so people can download the audiobook for free, because if they are going to sign up, they are going to receive 1 credit, which is enough to download one single audiobook. So everyone who wants to actually get the free audiobook is going to sign up to Audible, and for every single one of these signups, you are going to get paid $15 without them having to spend a single cent at all. So what you want to do is just create a pin on Pinterest using this button, and you want to upload the video that you have created on CapCut, and in the title you want to write something like this: free audiobook, and then just put in the title of the book, and in the description you want to write something like check out a free trial, link below, just like that. Then go ahead and paste the affiliate link you are going to get from Audible in here, just like that, and you are good to go. You can also go ahead and create a bunch of these at the same time and then publish them at a later date. This is actually something that I recommend you to do. Go ahead and create like 10 or 15 of these in one single niche, and then just go ahead and schedule like 2 or 3 per day. That way you are going to maximize your chance of getting traffic with this. Once you're going to create pin just like this, just go ahead and publish it. And the best part about this method is it's going to start generating traffic passively once you're going to upload a couple of these pins. So pretty much with this method you can make money on complete autopilot, because these pins are going to stay on Pinterest, they are going to be gathering your traffic, and all the people who will want to get the free ebook you are promoting are going to sign up to the free trial membership, and you are going to get paid $15 for every single one of these signups. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this method and you are going to take action on it. And also don't forget to go to the video description if you are watching this in the first hour after the release, because I'm going to be down there answering any questions that you may have on me. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and if you want to see some more free money making videos, check out this one right here, for example, which is going to show you a completely different way how to make money online, and I'm going to see you there.